Size full length, 9.5 inches. Size between attachment, 8.5 inches. Perfect OEM replacement handle for your kayak. Fits Perception Kayaks with flexible handle. High Life, Pescador Pro, Pilot and other models. Fit most Wilderness Systems Tarpon and Pungo models plus many others. Sold as a pair. Hardware not included. Top reviews from the United States. Same as original. Same as original equipment on my Wilderness Systems Tarpon 120 front and back handles. I also used these to replace the side handles. These fit perfectly on sides, but don't have the bungee loop that can be used with the original paddle holder. I had removed the paddle holder anyway because it tended to snag on my shorts when getting in and out of the kayak. No parts or instructions. So save the screws and nuts. You'll need a screwdriver and a 7/16 wrench or socket. The front handle is easy because you have access through the front hatch, on Tarpon kayak, for your wrench. Side handles require a little more dexterity because access is through the smaller hatch in the middle. Then you look at the back handle and think no way because it is not possible to access it through the hull. Never fear, the boat is made with threaded inserts in the hull for the back handle. All you need is the screwdriver. It's the easiest one.